Is there one with a bigger...
It really doesn't matter.
Okay. Yeah, I'll take this one. Small but powerful. Okay. And... yeah.
Nice.
So we're here in Western Hungary, and this is the vegetable garden of our current neighbours, and they've said we can do some scrumping if we like. So we're taking a few bits for dinner. I think I see a red tomato.
Yeah, one, I think so too. Yes.
Only a few, so as to not take the piss. And
all right.
yeah,
Dinner.
let's cook.
Yes.
We're joined by these ladies who enjoy escaping on a regular basis through the electric fence.
Oh yeah.
Dinner. Forgive our camera shyness, it's been a while. We probably said that last time as well, but yeah, it's been another while since we were last on camera. Anyway, where are we?
We're in Hungary right now, and it's good to be back on the road again. Almost, yeah. We're working towards it really hard. But this was the first step that we needed to take, just getting ourselves out of the country we were living in, making plans, actualizing them, making them realistic, and that's what we've done, and that's where we are right now. Okay.
So last video we very proudly announced that we're going to cycle from the top of Norway to Cape Town.
Cape to Cape.
As we're in Hungary, you might have guessed that didn't quite pan out. As far as I know, Norway has just opened up for tourism, and it's now August, mid-August?
It's end of July.
End of July. I should look at my phone more. We haven't had internet here as well. That's another layer. So anyway.
So the reason why we're not doing that anymore is because we couldn't really plan ahead enough. As you know, every country has different regulations and rules, and everything was too uncertain for us. And that's why we couldn't really properly plan out a big trip like that. And we simply said we need to go somewhere and start something. So we said, let's not do this plan. Let's skip this plan and find something new, something a bit more reliable, because in the meantime, borders opened up. There was more flexibility from certain countries, whether or not you could go in and out with or without vaccination. We got vaccinated in the meantime. That opened up a lot of doors as well. So yes, we needed to properly plan.
Yeah. So the plan is, in a couple of days, we're getting a bus from Zagreb in Croatia, which is our nearest big international bus stop, pardon me. And we're heading to Turin in western Italy, and we're heading straight up into the Alps, where we will basically cycle most of the Alps up north into Switzerland, across Austria, down into Slovenia and back here. We might be summiting a few mountains on the way. It depends how lucky we are with weather conditions and everything like that.
Yeah.
But that will be the next stuff you're seeing on this channel.
So with the mountains, we're trying to hike/summit. It's something new we're trying, and we were both really, really excited about and wanted to try it in the first place, but we're not quite there and experienced enough to have enough gear to properly summit some risky mountains. So yeah, it's going to be new and exciting for us as well.
We're trying mountains that you don't need gear for,
Yes.
just to clarify.
Yes, exactly. Because we don't have it.
Yeah. And we are changing the name of the channel. When I first made this channel a few years ago, I talk about it like it's a long history, but really it's just a very small channel still. I just wanted something easily like Googleable, like Cycle. I was thinking like Cycle Planet, Cycle Story, and Cycle Our World was not something that really stuck to me. It was just like, yeah, that'll do. It hasn't been taken. I didn't put a lot of thought into it. Now we'd rather something that sounds a bit more like a cool band name, right?
Yeah, I mean something that makes a bit more sense to the both of us.
Also, the acronym of Cycle Our World spells cow. So there's that. Also, if we do other stuff with the channel that's not cycling related, like mountaineering or
That was the main
or maybe
thing.
like building a house in the future eventually, it being under the name Cycle Our World doesn't make that much sense. So
Exactly. It was too linked to cycling alone.
yeah. Also, Our World sounds kind of possessive. I don't really know what my thought process was.
Mine.
Anyway, what's the new name, Nuddy?
Oh, you're gonna give me the honors. So I guess seeing as we might do some risky things and might be doing some more interesting things than just cycling through countries, it's just simply, in the best way to describe it, in my opinion, it's we're going down a bucket list for ourselves. So it's the things we want to do before we die.
Before we die.
So there you go. The new name we want wanted to use is before we die.
Yeah.
It's more to the point. It makes more sense to us, and it's literally why we're doing things that we like to do and we like to embark on, explore. And there's so much to still do because we literally just began. So yeah.
Yeah. That said, if we're filming ourselves doing something quite dangerous, then before we die, it's going to seem quite
Spot on.
yeah, or just it's going to make us look more stupid. But
Yeah, scratch that.
that's the So
Yes.
I think probably by the time the next video comes out, we're gonna change the name on the channel. Nadia's gonna change around the website a little bit that you designed for us.
Yeah.
Thanks. And that's what's happening next.
Yes. So it's been a really, really long ride, a very shitty one, to be very honest. I think that's the main reason as well why it's been so quiet on our end. It was tough, in my opinion. It was a tough period of time, year and a half-ish.
Without going too much into it and like being whiny and everything, it was basically confirmed that we had an early version of the coronavirus. We didn't know what was happening for the first 9 months, and it's been heavily suggested by doctors following tests, following my operation, and I had the operation that was successful. It was the most painful thing I've ever experienced.
Yeah.
The couple of weeks following a kidney stone operation. If you have kidney problems in your family, you should drink at least around 3 liters of water a day, because even the off chance that you get a kidney stone, it's so awful that it's just not worth the risk.
Or just get checked regularly. Go in for a checkup if you know your family is
drink lots, try
affected.
and keep off the KFC, and
You're talking to yourself now.
yeah. Also, I said I wouldn't go into it. The operation went in up my my dingle, and so there was that, and then they left a stent in, and that had to get taken out without a lot of pain relief. Everything going in and out of the peener, and it changes a man. So that's all I can say about it.
It hasn't been the same since.
So we hope that everyone watching is doing well. Lots of love from us and my loose penis tip. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Yes. It's going to be exciting. We're very excited, and we're hyped. We got more energy again, and we're ready for it. We are ready for some horrible mountain passes.
I can't wait to shit outside again.
Oh, it's going to be my first... No, it's not my first time.
Nope. Bye.